The NSS unit of St. Xavier's High Secondary School today is celebrating NSS Day. This NSS Day is celebrated all over the nation today, the 24th of September. This NSS Day started in the year 1969 to mark the birth centenary of the father of our nation, Mr. Mahatma Gandhi. And today, to celebrate this NSS Day, our students of our institution thought of starting an anti-plastic campaign. Sometimes we only talk, we give lectures on how we should not use plastic bags. But very often we do very less about taking a proactive action. And therefore this time our students have taken an action of preparing 1,500 cloth bags. They themselves have prepared this, stitched these bags, and they are going to distribute this 1,500 cloth bags in the Mapusa market to all the vendors and to all the people who come to the Mapusa market. So I thank the organizers, the Mapusa Municipal Council, the NSS unit at the Goa level, as well as my own colleagues who are program officers, and all our students who have prepared this 1,500 bags and who will conscientize the people in Mapusa about banning or not using plastic bags and instead substituting it with cloth bags. So I thank all my students for putting all the efforts to prepare and distribute this paper cloth bags to the people in Mapusa.
It is a good thing you have done. So the people, so when you take up such things, you should create little awareness among the public, and you should also educate the other people. Other day I was reading the newspaper. They say that 8,500 British tourists have cancelled the reservations in Goa. For the reason Goa is dirty. What is the cause of we are dirty? Because we also don't have the civic sense. We eat, we drink, and what we do is we just throw the leftover in the market without knowing that it is creating a nuisance to others. Similar thing has happened in market. So that's the reason our market is in today shambles. And people are crying, shopkeepers are crying, and municipality is also bleeding because we are unable to manage that work. However efforts we put in, everything goes in vain. We have tried to educate the shopkeepers, we have tried to educate the vendors, but it is not yielding the result that we are expecting. We have to come and see the garbage side, the amount of garbage that we collect. So this is a fallout of the development. Government has allowed development to come up without creating the infrastructure and without forcing the problem that will arise. In the foreign countries, they first create the infrastructure and then they go for development. In our thing, it has become reverse. We have gone for the development first and for creating the infrastructure later. So the people are coming up and objecting. So the outcome is that we are killing ourselves.